And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video we're going over DeFi Temple, the latest BNB miner with NFT boost. But before we get to the video, make sure to come visit my channel, subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell for more time-sensitive videos just like this one. This is DeFi Temple, and it will be releasing about 12 hours from the release of this video. This is the latest BNB miner with NFT boost. Let's look at the app and then we'll go over their documentation to see how this works. Here is your dashboard. To the right, you connect your wallet. To the left, you have the BNB that is staked in the contract, your wallet balance and BNB. Zen is what you need here to earn those rewards. And here are the rewards you've earned from your referrals. So that's pretty neat that they added that there. Here is to deposit BNB. You enter the temple and it shows you here, this is where you deposit. Here are your rewards and BNB where you can meditate and put it back into the Zen, or you can rest from the temple and claim those rewards. To the right is the daily APR, 8%, plus here you will see if you have any NFT boost. The monks are those NFT boosts, and there is 3 different types of monks. Here will be the monk price, which will be dynamic and will be changing. And once these monks are all minted, there will be no further monks available. We'll go over how that works in just a minute when we go over the documents. Here you type the amount of monks you're going to mint, and here you approve the transaction. Here's the APY plus the additional APY for those monks. Here's the dev fee, the marketing fee, and number of users that are using DeFi Temple. If we scroll down, here you have the referral section. You connect your wallet and you can share your referral link to earn 10% extra BNB rewards. At the bottom, you have the contract, Telegram, Twitter, Discord, and documents. I always recommend everyone, before investing in any project, to go check out their socials for the latest updates and news. And that is the application. Pretty interesting. I haven't seen this feature yet, and let's take a read and see how this works. DeFi Temple, while out in your natural ape habitat, stressed, exhausted, and sick from overwhelming and endless rugging you've endured, you decided to take a walk and clear your mind. And now you've managed to break away from the rest of the pack. After some time, you've stumbled across an old dirt path. Interesting. You don't remember this being here before. Are you lost, or are you right where you meant to be? Without any more hesitation, you decide to explore as your inner intrigue precedes you. You follow this path for miles. Further and further into the mountains you go. After some time, you hear faint sounds of hums, chants, and feeling that was once unnoticeable. A pure, powerful feeling of Zen begin to tickle over you. Getting stronger and stronger the further you go. All of a sudden, you come to a cliff. You look down, and then everything turns black. Hours later, as you awake, begin your journey, monk. They're giving you a backstory of how we ended up here in the DeFi Temple. The monastery. This is the core foundation of which the temple is built around. This is where you come to expand your powers. This particular pillar of the DeFi Temple is built upon the Binance Smart Chain. Once you've entered, take a seat and you shall deposit BNB and begin your meditation and becoming free of the world as we know it, physically and financially. Here at the monastery, there are a few key points to go over before you may truly begin your journey as a monk of the DeFi Temple. For this dApp is nothing like any other miner you've seen before. Let's begin. Minimum deposit is 0.01 BNB. Once deposited, you have begun your meditation. While meditating commence, you will acquire Zen. Zen is a powerful energy that can be used for both good and evil. Daily rewards, 8%. Each day you, monk, have a choice. A test of your mental fortitude. A true monk will stay in their meditative state for eternity, but we know this type of tenacity takes time to learn and earned. You have a choice to continue your meditation, empowering your state with more Zen compounding, or you may choose to retain your Zen to accompany you in your travels and leave the monastery claim. Though you are still here in spirit, once you begin your first meditation, you are part of the DeFi Temple forever. Deposits cannot be withdrawn and will always produce returns. Pretty cool story. Recap: minimum deposit 0.01 BNB. Daily return 8%. Enter temple, deposit, meditate compound, rest, take profits. Nice story and simple recap there. The necessary information you need to understand the temple. Let's go to the NFT incorporation. This is no average temple, monk. You are in the presence of innovation. Here at DeFi Temple, being the nature of our establishment, there are always going to be new and improved ways of doing things. And here, not all monks are created equal, and they have the 3 levels of monks here. Level 2 is Samanera, and level 3 is Bhikkhu. There are 3 levels of monk NFTs. Each level of monk has their own rate of which their meditation brings them Zen. Level 1 monk, plus 1%. This NFT is just a regular monk. Owning one will bring you 1% Zen on top of your daily returns. Level 2, Samanera, plus 2%. This NFT is slightly more skilled than the average monk, granting plus 2%, bringing the total daily return to 10%. Level 3, Bhikkhu, plus 3%. This NFT is a master monk, a veteran among monks. Their Zen acquisition will amount to a plus 3% increase, making their daily Zen rate at 11%. That's a lot of Zen. And so that is the breakdown. Owning one of these NFTs will give you those daily booster rewards. Now let's see how they're priced. There are a total of only 1,000 NFTs to be minted ever for the pillar of BSC. They are completely randomized with different levels of rarity, parallel to their boost/level ratings. Within the pillar of BSC NFT collection, 60% 600 minted will be level 1 monks, 30% 300 minted will be level 2 Samanera, and 10% 100 minted will be level 3 Bhikkhu. Mint will be dynamic in terms of price, meaning they are not all going to be the same price. Each mint will increase the price of the next unit minted. The first monk will be at the price of 0.2 BNB and the last monk will be 1.119 BNB, increasing by 0.001 per NFT minted individually. So as the monks get minted, the price gradually rises, so it's best to mint sooner than later if you want the best price possible. The maximum number of NFTs one may mint per transaction is 10. Though the dynamic mint function still holds true, this means that if you mint all 10 at once, they will each still have a cost difference of 0.001 BNB. No 2 NFTs of the collection will be the same price, regardless of if they were purchased within the same transaction or purchased separately. So each NFT will have its own price. There's no way of getting around that. Also, percentage boost does not stack. If you own multiple monks, only one monk is relevant in regards to affecting your daily APY boost. If you have multiple monks and multiple levels of monks, the highest level monk within the connected wallet's possession will automatically take precedent over any monk NFTs, that of which offers lesser level boost attribute. For example, if you own a level 1 monk as well as a level 3 Bhikkhu, your level 3 Bhikkhu will be the NFT that you receive an APY boost from, being that Bhikkhus greater than regular monks, and your total boost rate will still only be 3%. So the NFT minting process is completely randomized. You don't know what you're gonna get. You can mint multiple monks, but in reality, you're looking for that 3% Bhikkhu monk. So you can spend a lot of money trying to get one Bhikkhu. Pretty interesting, but they do offer a system in which you can purchase additional daily rewards. Pretty cool. We're gonna see how that works as it rolls out. And if we click to the community, here are the official links. I will leave these under the description of this video if you want to get involved. And that is DeFi Temple. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you guys like DeFi Temple? What do you think about the NFT boosters? That's something totally new. I haven't seen that anywhere else. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. Hit the notification bell for more time-sensitive videos just like this one. DeFi Temple is launching in 12 hours, and you can be the first in line to mint those monks. Thank you very much. That's going to do it for this one, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.